So you want to know how to outperform 99% of investors and high time frame traders. Hey, my name's Harry. I've been a high time frame trader for 3 years, and this mindset shift for me was an absolute game changer. So as you can see here, I've got gold, I've got Bitcoin, I've got the Nasdaq, I've got the S&P, and I've got the DAX. Now, as high time frame investors, traders, it's stressful, right? Like trying to pick things, what to, choose, when to time it, if you are going to be active with it, how to weight it, and so on. And a mindset shift I heard and read on the internet, which I think is really good, is you're not looking to capture all of that. You're not looking to capture all of this. You're not looking to capture all of that, or all of that. Obviously, Bitcoin's gone down a bit there. What you're looking to do is not outperform 100% of one thing you're doing, but you're looking to capture 80% of that positive momentum, volatility, let's say. So let's just take Bitcoin, for example. Let's say you were long on the weekly we'll just go from here. Okay, cool. You missed that part. Big move, yeah, but you're long from here, and let's say you got out there. Just say in that area. So from, this area to there, you've caught a big chunk of the move. Not all of it. You're not caught bottom to top, but I guess if you're an investor, and what another good reason why to be active, you would have been out there and not there, right? So you're looking to capture the bulk of these moves and not all of it. Let's take gold. You may have even got interest in gold there, not there, there, and you may still be long. You may have sold in this area. As you can see, we've not caught top to bottom. We've got long here, and we maybe exited there. We've caught 70-80% of that bullish move. We go on the Nasdaq. You may have got long on that retest, and you may still be long. S&P, same thing. Maybe got long there, still long. The DAX, you may be obviously a big move through there. You may be, even got interested there. Not a great entry, but it went higher, and then maybe you just stayed long. So you don't want to be trying to be 100% here, 100% there. And you see all the things online. You can't perform the S&P. You can't outperform this. You can't do this. The stock market is I think, from what I was reading earlier, at valuations which is like never seen before in terms of the S&P and the Nasdaq. So you're probably thinking, oh, okay, cool. How do I actively manage this? What do I do? You're looking to capture, if you're watching multiple different things, 80% of the volatility of that trend. If you were to combine 80% of the DAX, the S&P, the Nasdaq, Bitcoin, gold, let's say over the last 5 years, your portfolio would have had an amazing return because you're capturing different things. Not all of it. You're never going to get top to bottom, but you're going to capture that insane volatility. And if we are going to see a reversion in the S&P, like there is things online, and I know online obviously can't read into it too much, but there is stuff out there saying the S&P is, look at that. Is that trend going to sustain? If we go on VT versus the S&P, is that due a bounce? So you might be thinking, okay, cool, I might want to capture, let's just go on VT. There, it's been really nice trends. You may want to capture some volatility now in VT over the S&P, change that weighting. Yes, you did maybe catch all of that, but you might catch some out here, capture some of the trend. So if you don't want to be chasing, you never want to be picking and panicking, but you want to be, okay, cool, watching something every single day, religiously. If it's a weekly chart, watch every week, and so on, checking in constantly. Like gold, for example, a lot of people would have lost interest in this decade, right? 9 years, and rightly so, got boring. But the ones who watched every day caught that volatility. And checking once a week on an asset isn't much effort, right? So you really want to go to the effort of having that mindset shift of, oh, I don't need to outperform the S&P entirely. I just need to capture, if it's on the high time frame, 80% of the volatility. And if you're watching different sectors and different things, and you've got different bets and so on, then yeah, that's what you want to do. You know, you want to just think, how can I capture a chunk of the trend? You know, stop getting in the mindset of, oh, I don't know, I sold, let's say, I don't know, I sold the S&P there, I'm out there, oh my God, like, what am I going to do? You may have caught maybe all like that to there. Like, this is a, you know, historic move, right? But you may have caught that to there. And that you may have sold more recently there. That to there, great, you've caught, what, 80%? I don't know, maybe 80% maybe from that, the tariff dip, 70-80%. So that's what you want to do, right? So you just want to get in the mindset shift of, I don't need to catch 100% of a trend, 80%. And if you stack 80% from different things, different areas, that's just going to create a nice, really equity curve and a smooth trend in your portfolio and your and put you at peace of mind as well. So I just wanted to jump on, very quick video, just to talk about a really good mindset shift that 99% of investors won't have. They won't be thinking that. They'll be panicking on the news, SpaceX IPO, valuations, blah, blah, blah. Just think to yourself, have I caught 80% of that? If you have, and then you stack that across different assets, different markets, you're going to do really well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.